Hey guys, Murisei. Welcome to this Shona tutorial where we'll be teaching you how to use the phrases he or she likes and he or she doesn't like in Shona sentences. Stay tuned. So, we are going to start with the phrase he or she likes, and then later on we'll teach you the negation of that, which is he or she doesn't like. So, he or she likes in Shona becomes the word anofarira. 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 Take note. It becomes one word, which is anofarira. And it doesn't matter whether it's he likes or she likes. They all get translated to anofarira. Anofarira. So in Shona, this word is gender neutral. It can fit on both males and females. So let's do some example sentences so that you can get a better understanding of how to use this phrase. So the first sentence or example sentence that we're going to work with is he or she likes water. In Shona, that becomes anofarira mvura. He or she likes becomes anofarira. Water in Shona it's mvura. Mvura. Anofarira mvura. Another example. He or she likes running. In Shona, that becomes anofarira kumanya. Anofarira kumanya. Running in Shona it's kumanya. Kumanya. Anofarira kumanya. Another example. He or she likes fish. In Shona, anofarira hove. He or she likes anofarira fish. In Shona becomes hove. Hove. Anofarira hove. Okay, another example. He or she likes money. We all like money, eh? He or she likes money. In Shona becomes anofarira mari. Money in Shona becomes mari. Mari. He or she likes anofarira money mari. Anofarira mari. Okay, I hope that's understandable. So now going to the negation of he or she likes, which is he or she doesn't like. In Shona, he or she doesn't like becomes haafariri. 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 Let's use this phrase in example sentences so that you can get a better understanding of how to use it. He or she doesn't like money. In Shona, it becomes haafariri mari. So you must take note, he or she doesn't like becomes one word, which is haafariri. Haafariri. Money in Shona it's mari. So he or she doesn't like haafariri money mari. Haafariri mari. Okay, let's do another example. He or she doesn't like eating. In Shona that becomes haafariri kudya. Eating in Shona it's kudya. kudya. So he or she doesn't like, that becomes haafariri eating kudya. Haafariri kudya. Okay, another example. He or she doesn't like arguments. In Shona, haafariri nharo. Haafariri nharo. Arguments, in Shona, it's nharo. Nharo. Haafariri nharo. Okay, another example. He or she doesn't like going to the hospital. He or she doesn't like going to the hospital. In Shona, haafariri kuenda kuchipatara. Haafariri kuenda kuchipatara. So he or she doesn't like becomes haafariri. Remember, it's gender neutral, so it can either be he doesn't like, it translates to haafariri, or it can be she doesn't like, it still translates to haafariri. Going, it's going to, it's kuenda. Kuenda. The hospital, kuchipatara. Kuchipatara. Haafariri kuenda kuchipatara. He or she doesn't like haafariri going to kuenda the hospital, kuchipatara. Haafariri kuenda kuchipatara. And it's quiz time. So I want you to translate he likes me to Shona. Please just try it on yourself first and continue playing the video to see the answer afterwards. And the answer or the translation to he likes me in Shona is anofarira ini. Anofarira ini. He likes anofarira me. It's ini. Ini in Shona. Let me know in the comments down below if you got this quiz question right. And thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Ndatenda.